Hey, welcome back to day 2 of repiping through the attic using PEX piping. Now, if you all caught my first day of repiping through a customer's attic using PEX piping, we made most of our drops in the main part of the house. I've still got one bathroom I've got to make 5 drops to, as well as our water main service to the home. But we're going to start by going back in that tight little run that's got the main feeds with my 3/4 hot and cold going to the other side of the house, and we're going to be strapping those down to start the day with. All right, we're heading all the way down there, and we're going to start down there and work our way back, strapping these pipes right here. All right, I got another one of my plumbers that's up here, up in this tight spot.
Can we get it all on the wall and pull it back down? All right, let's try that, all right?
Now, last year, the customer had a new roof put on. When he did so, he had some guys roll out 2 full rolls of 3/4 inch PEX piping across the other side of the house here. What they did is they just left it, and I've got big coils and rolls I got to cut here and try to make the best of them to get over here to service this other bathroom. Over there's the other bathroom, that area. All right, so we've finally got that extra stuff cut out and a little bit of this mess sorted out, and back through the cut back there where the other bathroom is. Now we're gonna work our way back through and strap everything down. That's where we were earlier. I got all those coils out of there and stuck them over here on this side of the building, the far east, where the other bathroom is. And got my hot and my cold. My other plumber's already made the drops for the toilet, the lavatory. And it also has the water main feed. They dropped in behind the lavatory. It's all coming in on the far east side of the house. right, I got one more drop to do. That's for a hot side. That's way back in there. That's a really tight spot. And that'll be our last drop in the attic. Wow. Tight fit. No room for error. Oh. I don't know if I pull this off, I'm losing my rings. Crap. Oh man, last one's always the toughest. Oh, come on. Oh. Gotcha. This is definitely saving the worst for last. There ain't no room up in this joint. Now it's time to strap the last of these 5 drops down. Get the heck up on out of this attic that's getting hotter by the minute. Okay, our drops are all done. Everything is strapped. There's gonna be no banging around in the walls. This little strap there, one back in there. Everything's tight. And that's the last of our attic work. All right, well, we survived the second day of attic work, repiping a house built in the 60s with PEX piping. Everything's good to go up there. And I'm gonna do some work around the downstairs here, but for the most part, my job up here is done. The other plumbers will take care of most of the tie-ins on the bottom floor. We're gonna make the most of it the rest of the day. Yes. All right, back here to the south end of the house where we dropped our line for our hose bib, we've got a hole that's opened up. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go about doing this. Now, we still have not cut the water off to the house. That's probably not gonna happen until Monday, but let's do this. Lunchtime. Time for a slice. Tony's New York famous style pizza, not too bad. And we're back in the southeast corner bathroom. Everything is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to rough in our stub outs for our water lines. Nice. All right. Now, if you're having a problem with the crimp ring sliding all over the place and not staying where you want it to be, you can say get your wrench on there or your crimpers. Slide it where you want it. Take a pair of channel locks, just kind of give it a little bit of a pinch. That way it stays in place, so you can't move now. It's right there in place where I want it. All right, got the lavatory roughed in, as well as the toilet. We're not cutting the water off today. Shower valve, so we got another hose bib coming in on that side. All right, so we're about ready to move over to where the laundry is and the laundry basin and stuff. There's a lot of noise. One of the other plumbers is breaking out the rest of the shower. They had to break the walls out as well as because the drains for the laundry and all that stuff was all bad and everything. So I got to tie the two fixtures in here, so that's what we're going to do next. Yikes, what a mess. Laundry tub, laundry. Well, hey, that's all the time we got for this one. End of day 2 of repiping a 1960s home through the attic with PEX piping. I won't be back to this job because I've done all my attic work and I spent the rest of this second day roughing out one of the bathrooms, some hose bibs, the laundry, and all that other good stuff. A couple other plumbers will make it back here come Monday and they will finish the job from there. There was a lot involved. 2 of those rooms had to be broken open, the laundry and the adjacent bathroom, because all the plumbing was on outside walls. And when we got into there and we looked at the drains, those were bad as well. So there was a lot more involved than what we expected. But anyways, that's how it's done. Thanks so much. Till next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.